Wabash Valley's most accurate and reliable newscast continues. With Storm Team 10 meteorologist Lindsay Monroe.
Welcome back, everyone. The rain has not quite moved into the Wabash Valley just yet, but we have had the cloud cover around all day long. Because of that, we started the day with very mild temperatures in the lower 60s, and most of us are now back into the lower 70s despite that cloud cover. Again, we are still rain-free at this hour. Clouds and radar showing us that we are certainly seeing the clouds in place right now. Check out this thicker cloud deck that's moving on in with a little bit of light rain trying to press in just south of the I-70 corridor there near Effingham County, Illinois. 72 degrees, your current temperature in Terre Haute. Linton is at 72. Vincennes and Romiton also at 72 degrees right now. We are tracking that next weather system, but first, again, we are looking at numbers staying a little bit warmer than what they were yesterday. And then looking ahead of tomorrow, there's going to be a big time drop in temperatures here. 68 degrees by 7 p.m. and then temperatures actually staying pretty mild as that next chance of rain rolls on in from the west. We are looking at overnight lows tonight staying mild as well in the mid 60s, near 65 degrees here in Terre Haute. But these overnight low temperatures, they are actually going to be the daytime high for our Friday, mainly because we have that cold front that's going to move through in the morning. That frontal boundary, yeah, it's going to bring in some cooler air once it moves through. So let's time all this out on Futurecast beginning at midday today. Notice that the clouds stay in place, but by about 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon, especially by 4 o'clock today, already talking about those scattered showers. Here's 4 o'clock. Moving on through the rest of our afternoon, here's 7 p.m. this evening. Once the sun sets, we keep the cloud cover in place. Some scattered showers will be likely. Now we're talking more widespread rain, mainly after midnight tonight. That's when that cold front gets a little closer. You can see this very defined line of showers, even some thunderstorms embedded within this line. It moves in around 2 o'clock in the morning, tracking from the west to the east. Within this line, certainly could see some very gusty winds. I think that will be the primary threat. Not expecting widespread severe weather, but certainly some stronger storms will be possible. Here's 3 o'clock in the morning, putting us to about 5 a.m. Looks like that main line is going to be on through. Still some lingering showers for your morning commute on Friday by about 8 o'clock in the morning, 9 a.m. as well. Clearing already starting to take place. We'll start to see the sunshine returning for our Friday afternoon, and then those temperatures continue to drop back through the 60s during the day on Friday. Rainfall potential over the next 48 hours puts us just over a half an inch here in Terre Haute. Same deal to the south, maybe just a little bit more in Robinson and in Olney, around 7/10 of an inch of rain in the forecast. But keep in mind, you get underneath one of those very heavy thunderstorms, certainly could see some higher amounts looking ahead at the forecast, putting us into our Friday afternoon. Storm tracker again showing us rain is closer to the St. Louis area and back to our west. Well, that's where there is a marginal risk for severe weather. If you look at our categories here, that is the lowest of the 5. So again, looking at that primary threat to the overnight being some strong wind gust as that line tracks off from the west to the east. It'll be out of here by tomorrow afternoon. So when we talk about 24 hours from now, we'll be talking about some cooler temperatures, clearing skies. By Friday night, we stay dry. Saturday morning, back into the 30s, near 39 degrees to begin our weekend. We're talking a clear day on Saturday with mostly sunny skies. Sunday morning still clear. And then for the rest of our weekend, dry, sunny, but certainly cooler with highs back in the 50s. So for the rest of the day today, we stay mainly cloudy with some late day scattered showers. 72, your forecast high, 65 through the overnight. And then we begin the day tomorrow near 65 with temperatures falling on the backside of that cold front through the day on Friday. Turning cooler but sunny for the weekend, highs in the 50s with our next chance of rain holding off until next Wednesday.